Hi YouTube, I'm George. I received a letter from Romania and inside should be a lemon tree. One friend, Facebook friend, his name is Christian, sent me lemon tree from his tree and I will open this and show you. Let's see. If you see this video, Christian, so thank you so much for this gift. So let's open this. So let's see what's in the package, and I see the lemon tree already, and let's see how it looks. Beautiful. Thank you so much, Christian, and beautiful. It's green and red. And I have a letter, and it's written in Romanian, but I will read in English, as this channel is in English, and I have channel in Romanian. I did video too, and let's read the text. Hi Jiku. Jiku, it's my name too, but George is my real name in passport. But Jiku, it is secondary name. And let's read. Hi Jiku, my name is Sandu Christian, and I thought with my cousin Andrian Ionuț to send you a lemon tree. We are best your fans. I hope your lemon tree to grow beautiful, and also I send you that small plants. What? Small plants? Let's see what plants we have there also. What's inside? Oh my god, look at this. We have some plants there, and I don't know this plant's name. I put the name on the video if I got the names, but so looking at the moment, and thank you so much Ionuț for these plants, for these little plants, and that's why I will plant the lemon tree. Now I will have to plant these plants into this pot, this lemon tree, and I put on the pot already gravel with sand, and we need to plant carefully, and also I plant these small plants in this pot. So let's start. I remove it, and now look at the roots how it looks, and now I have to plant it in this yellow pot, and let's put ground there in pot. I have universal ground, soil, and let's put. This ground is wet, but I don't have normal ground at the moment, and I put this. And I will know water. Now put the lemon tree in this pot. So this I planted, and now I have to plant that little plants there, and let's plant them too. So happy I planted them, and they should be grow in the future, and how will survive for me, and so beautiful. I'm happy. New lemon tree, and I think will give me some fruits in about few years, 2 years or less. And this beautiful too, I hope to survive. Yeah, and how it look beautiful looks. This is a succulent, yeah, and this I don't know, but we'll see. So thanks for watching, and that's the way.